Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. While launching the game, you are getting a connection error with error code VAN84. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, right click on start menu, choose option run. Type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now here whichever your Wi-Fi is, you need to right click and go to its properties. Now over here, first of all, uncheck the option TCP/IP v6. Then click on TCP/IP v4 and go to its properties. Now we are going to use the Google DNS. So choose the second option and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. After doing so, hit the OK button and close it. Now go ahead and relaunch your game and hopefully the issue will be completely fixed. If this failed to work out, in next step, right click on taskbar and choose option task manager. From the left pane, click on details tab and in the search box type in ROID. Now whatever the ROID processes are running, right click and choose option end task. Make sure you close each and every task related to the ROID. Once done, click on start menu, type CMD and choose the option run as administrator. Type here a command sc-delete VGC and hit the enter key. Next is sc-delete VGK and again hit the enter key. After doing so, make sure to restart your PC and then open this PC, C drive, program files, and here you will find a folder with the name ROID vanguard. Right click and choose the option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why it is giving me the error. So make sure restart your PC and delete this folder. After deleting this folder, launch your ROID client into a system. Now go ahead, log in using your user ID and password. Once you are logged in, select your game and over here you will find the Valorant, and right over here you may find the option of update as it is showing right over here. So click on the option update. Now wait for a few minutes and once the Vanguard is fully installed, restart your game and the issue of Valorant connection error VAN84 will be completely fixed. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.